Hello there guys, and welcome to another episode of Flytying with Onymphs. So today we are going to be tying a Bloodworm Eurojig. I swear that this is going to be my last winter flight this winter season. It is currently the middle of February and I can't wait to tie some early spring flights and get out on the water. This whole month is just uncalled for. So we are starting off with a size 16 wide gape jig hook and a 3.2mm black tungsten bead, and we are using red thread for the base. Trying to thread the base evenly. So after that we add the body material, which in this case is some red body glass. This is made by hands, and the fly is made by my hands. Pun. But you can get similar materials from craft stores. I think they are called spaghetti bracelets or something. Anyways, as we are tying down the body glass, we are applying some pulling force to stretch it out a bit. This way, when we thread it down, it moves back a little to form these segmentations of the bloodworm. So in our case the term bloodworm refers to the larvae of non-biting midge species. Also don't look bloodworms up on wiki, because there exists a saltwater bloodworm in this world that just looks like it escaped straight from hell. Straight up nightmare fuel. It has literal fangs. Fangs. So I did the research for you so you don't have to. So our friendly non-biting midge larvae bloodworms, the non-scary ones, are called bloodworms because they are red. Fun fact, this redness is caused by the same chemical that makes our own human blood red, hemoglobin. I got too carried away. We are adding some red hair dubbing to imitate the small fuzzy prolegs that are present on the larvae butt. Then we are taking another turn, threading back to the head. Whip finishing. I wanted to cut the thread as close to the bead as I can, but I messed this one up. So after messing up the last cut and leaving the thread too long, we add some UV resin. Just a small amount to soak the threads and make an even see-through layer on the fly. And then we harden it with a UV lamp. Then comes another layer of UV resin. I'm using a dental UV lamp. It's stronger than the fly tying ones, but remember, you should always use eye protection when dealing with UV light. And there you go. Your Bloodworm Eurojig is ready to fish. Fish love this fly, not just trout, but I personally had a lot of luck with this fly for perch and coarse fish and even carp. But anyways, please like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.